Well, good afternoon and welcome to Retirement Trades. Just going to give you guys a quick update here. I promised you guys I was going to record everything I did and every trade I made. So we're about to make a trade. And I took a lot of heat in that last video. You guys were kind of rough on me there in the comments, but that's okay. I'm a big boy. I got some thick skin. I'm experimenting with this account. I need you guys to understand that this is not my nest egg. This is not my life savings. This is me trying to figure out some small account stuff. I've kind of showed you what's going on in my other accounts, and so this is this is an experiment. So try and keep that in mind here if I do something you may or may not approve of. But anyways, what did we do last time? We bought a position, a controversial position in Wolf with a $1.50 strike price. And basically, we're at $1.52 right now. It's on expiration day. Now, this is went down into, I want to say, the high 130s here. Let me see. Wolf, okay, chart. Okay, so let me just swap this over here real quick. Go to, let's look at the 15-minute here. And, well, no, let's go back to the day for, sorry, don't mean to run you all over the place. 1 day, 1 year, real quick. We can see really how low we've got here. What's the lowest we got here? What's the bottom here for this candle is low of 125. So it went all the way down to 125, and the current price being 152. We are in the money here. Well, we're not in the money. We're out of the money, which means we get to keep the money. So anyways, max we can make on this is 750, and we're at $600 now. So I'm just going to close that because, well, it's $150, but we don't know what's going to happen between now and the end of the day. So let's get out of this, and 2 cents is going to the mid price. Let's see here. Let's see, we sold it for 15, and so 0.15 minus 0.02 is 13 times 50. We'd make $6.50. It may not want to give us that price. Let's just see what happens here. Should easily be able to get the 600, but let's try for the 650 here. Oh, filled. Wolf. There we go. Let's take a peek here. Overview. Oh, it got us out at 3 cents, which is, no. Yeah, so that's kind of weird. I asked for a 2 cent and they gave us 3 cents, but I'm not even going to complain because it just is what it is. And let me just double check the email. I mean, it's here. I can see it, obviously. But let's update our chart. Wolf. And let's see, 3 cents. Well, I'm not excited about it, but it's done. Okay, so we have closed that position on today for a price of negative 0.03. I gave up the 150. We made $600 there, less our commissions and fees and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's I took some heat. You guys were rough on me, but guess what? I made $600 here, 588, and we're good. We are just no. We still have some positions. Yeah, okay. Excuse me. We're still negative 49. One of those sold at the negative 3 cents. So let's see. That's crazy that we bought one. All right, so let's. because I'm a dummy. Let's go for the 3. See if we saw the rest of them there. I obviously just closed one position. I, for some reason, didn't do the full position because I wasn't paying attention. So let that be a lesson to everybody. Pay attention. Details matter. So let's see here. Will it let us out? It says they want 4 cents. I'm only willing to give 3 cents. Do I just take the 4 cents? What do you guys think? Up that penny. And there we go. We're filled. Okay, so we're out of it there. Let's just go back over here. I'm going to change this here just to be negative 0.04. Okay, so we made 550, not 600. We did make a hair more on that one trade, but I'm not using these spreadsheets for pure accounting balances. That's why the commissions and fees aren't really in there. This just gives me a loose idea of where I stand. So that is where we're at today, and we have no more positions. And I am going to let this sit over the weekend. We'll get back at it next week. But okay, let's pop over to the Schwab site and see where we're at here. Okay, so the 1 month, last month change, we're up $58,406 and 2 pennies. In the last month, we finally topped a $500,000 in this account. Well, it's 2 accounts. It's a rollover 401k into an IRA, and then they have also this little bit of a speculative account down here. But we are over $500,000 finally, and the last 30 days we were up 12.76% for a total of $58,000. So that's exciting, guys. I'm doing all right over there. Now, if I can just figure out this small account thing, life will be a whole lot easier. So anyways, like I said, I'm going to leave no positions on this account over the weekend and formulate a new game plan to attack the markets again next week here. So thanks for watching. You guys have a great weekend, and I will see you all in the next one.